So we've just navigated here to PayPal.com, and right up here at the top they have an option to sign up. So that's where we're going to go. Now when we go to sign up, there's going to be a couple different options for different types of accounts that we can sign up for. There's personal accounts and premier accounts and business accounts. The first thing we obviously have to do is choose a country, so we're here in the US and we are okay with US English, especially since our other options involve Spanish, French, and Chinese. Now Debbie, as you know, the difference between a personal and premier account, of course, is that the premier account will allow unlimited amount of transactions in and out of your account, whereas the personal account will only allow up to $500 worth of transfers in any given month, whether that's coming in or going out. And since we assume that Debbie's going to be moving a lot more than $500 a month, and most of you will too, we'll stick with the premier account. So here we go. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill in this information with Debbie real quick, and you guys don't need to sweat it too much. We're just going to let Debbie use the keyboard and type right away, and you guys won't be able to see this unfortunately, but it's pretty simple here. We have an email address. Now understand when you choose this email address that you may not want to use your gdog@hotmail.com email address because this is the email address that you'll give to people for them to be able to send you a PayPal payment. Your email address is sort of like your PayPal username or user ID, and so that's kind of the idea here. We want to make sure that you guys know that the email address needs to be something professional and something you're willing to hand out to other people. And then you have your password, first and last name, address, all like normal, city, state, and zip, and phone number. So nothing too complicated. It does have an explanation there. If you're confused why they need your phone number, understand that this is an online banking system, and it's the largest online banking system in the world, and so they do need to verify information, and so it is important to put in a phone number. So we're just about there. Okay. Luckily for us, Debbie's a fast typer, or whatever we call that, so we're just zooming right through. I think we got it. Everything look right, Debbie?
Sure does.
Alright, agree and create account. Okay, so now we've successfully put in the initial information, and it says, how would you like to pay for your purchases? So whenever you're going to use your PayPal address to make a purchase online, you'll need to be able to have funds available. So either they can transfer that money from your bank account, a checking or savings account, or directly off of a credit card. And Debbie, probably the easiest thing for you is just to use a credit card. So let's just go continue. And now we're going to go ahead and put in this information. We're going to pause the recording. We just assume you guys not watch us put in the credit card information, so we'll be right back. Okay, that's it. It's that simple, guys. In less than 3 minutes or 4 minutes, you've already got a PayPal account. Now, once you log in, there are some information things you'll need to do. One of them is to confirm your email address. So you'll need to go to your email account, get the email that just came from PayPal, and inside that email there's a link that you'll click that will allow you to confirm your PayPal address. You'll also need to add your phone, and even if you already have a phone number in the account, go ahead and click here on the to-do list, and they will ask permission to call you. And they'll call you, and they will play over the phone a message that you'll need with a confirmation code that you'll be able to type in and confirm your account, your phone number on the account also. Now, if you're going to be receiving cash payments and everything from PayPal, then understand it's important that you also have a way to get that money back into your account. And now PayPal does have a debit card system. After 60 days, they will allow you to apply for the PayPal debit card. As you can see here, PayPal debit card apply now. I'd click on it, but it'll just deny us because you have to have your account for 60 days. After 60 days, you can apply for that card, and when you get payments, commissions paid into your account, you'll be able to access those from your PayPal Visa debit card. Now, unfortunately, this account's not 60 days old, so the only other option is to add a bank account. And you can do that on the left-hand side underneath Set Up Your Account. You go to the Add Bank Account link and put in the information, your routing number, checking number, and bank name, and you'll be able to transfer funds to and from your bank account. And that's probably the easiest way, and that can be done without any cost to you or to anybody else. Debbie, now, when you do come into your account to add your new bank account, and as we mentioned that's going to be necessary, you need to keep in mind that it's going to ask you for some information. Now, the first thing you need to know is the name of your bank. And so every bank has a name, whether it's Wells Fargo Bank or HSBC or whatever the name of your bank is. After knowing the name of your bank, you'll need your checking or savings account information. And the first thing it asks for is a routing number. And for those of you who don't know what a routing number is, you can usually find it on the bottom of your checks as it shows here in the picture, or you can always call your bank and ask for the routing number. Some banks also refer to it as the Swift code. And so once you have that Swift code or the routing number, you can put it in here. It's a 9-digit number, and then your account number, which is specific to your checking or savings account. Now when you hit continue after doing this, they're going to make a couple of small less than $1 deposits into your account, and that takes 3 to 5 business days. And once they've made those, you can come back in and verify that account so that you'll be able in the future to use that account to both receive information into your PayPal account and withdraw it from PayPal and deposit it back into your checking. And obviously that's the point here, and so we encourage you to do that. I think that that's a quick overview, and hopefully that helps everyone. It's important to get your PayPal account set up so that you'll be able to receive your commissions and so that you can make purchases online. Thanks so much.